So Gordy, we're down at Killen's farm today, and I suppose it's a little bit of a different kind of scenario for us, because normally when we catch you, you're flat out with the machinery out in the fields, whereas it's actually quite nice to see the actual farm and the dairy side of things.
Yeah.
The dairy's kind of where you started, so how long has it been in the family?
Oh well, now and then my father, and then his generation, that's been there this lifetime really, if you say, and follow through.
Aye, because you would kind of prefer the cows over the machinery, like?
Yeah, okay, I like the cows, yeah. You'd like the odd day away too, but yeah, I enjoy the cows, yeah.
And so like, what kind of made you want to go more towards the dairy side of the business?
I suppose there's always someone else in the family that has to do it.
Nah.
Oh well, them boys always says back in the day, if I remember missing, I was always in the calf shed or the cow shed or somewhere, so it must have just been in me from the young.
So it's obviously
follow through.
Brought you through it, like, because you've had a massive change in Parlor over the last couple of years. You've really upgraded.
Yeah.
And it's full Dairy Master that you're running now.
Yeah, full Dairy Master.
Because what size is the Parlor like?
36 swing over, rapid exit. Good job. Feed the yield, bells and whistles.
Yeah, everything you want, basically.
All the heat detection colours, rumination. That works well.
And how do you find that's even improved with the herd? Like,
I suppose if you have a sick cow, it's taking less antibiotics. The treaters, you're getting there earlier. Better fertility, getting them sooner, getting everything sits in well with the contract. We have a certain period to calves, so everything works in well. Sort of 70% of the herd calves from start of October to December. Yeah, 70-80% of them calves before Christmas, and then the last wean will filter on now to April. And then that's it. And then I suppose we're all the way then contracting come May. We don't have to worry about feeding calves, they're all done.
because how many are you actually milking?
There's 430 at the minute going through here. And there's the last wean now to red up cabin, so plenty.
Enough to keep you busy, sure.
The sheds are full, that's the main bit.
You won't be building any new sheds anytime soon?
Well, we plan to, like, but the brewers is different. But
like, have you plans to expand further than where you are? Are you kind of comfortable with the amount
well,
you
we have
have?
a lot of out yards, we'd maybe rather than bring them home. They save the hassle of moving them about, and then comes the very end of the season we get tight because we're a wee bit short of cubicles because they're not here and they're in out yards. So if we try and get everything in the home yard, save the torture of moving them, but it takes a lot of money.
What kind of breed of dairy cows have you gone towards?
Well, Holstein, Holstein Friesian.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too Holstein because they're too soft. But
especially up around this country when you get the snow, like.
Well, what is it, end of February we're snowing? No, look, I like a wee bit of strength. Plenty of milk and a bit of strength. Happy medium.
And what made you go towards the likes the rapid exit? Because obviously that's quite different.
Yeah. Well, we went around, looked at a lot of parlours. We were mindset on the rotary, but between 3 phase we didn't have enough power to drive it, and it wasn't just going to fit into the building we had, so we went rapid exit right next. And then since she was 36 long, we were just out at rapid exit to get them out.
Yeah.
Too much time lost emptying her.
Because how do you find even the time of milking has improved? Like.
Oh, cheers. Our old parlour, we started 3:30 in the morning. It was 9 before we were finished.
Right.
And there was only 350 going through at that time. Now we start at 5 and read up for 7. It's 4:30. We're back in the house now at 7:30 breakfast. Can't complain.
No, especially if you get a bit more of a lie-in, like in the morning.
Oh, it's far easier than the cows too. They're not standing about.
Aye, that's it. Because how many milkings do you do in a day?
Twice.
Aye, and it's always been twice.
Aye. We tried it in the old parlour 3 times, but that nearly broke us.
Sure, you'd be nearly milking all day if that was the case.
It was. Oh, it was just, happy enough. Every 12 hours, happy enough.
Aye. And do you find like even the likes of the yields have gone up because of the happier cows going through?
I suppose I did go up a bit, yes. They're getting more time now to eat and lie, so. But they've definitely went up, yeah. Oh, we're happy.
Because how long ago was it you actually fitted the new parlour?
I think this is our third winter past.
And have you always been dairy master?
Yeah, the father was old, and then we sort of upgraded her, and she went dairy master, and then we've just carried on.
Because it's got, with all the bells and whistles, I mean, she's all the ACR and all that?
ACR, feed the yield, the speaker in the back counts a man. If you have cow mastitis, as long as you put it in the program, she'll tell you. Dump the cow, fresh carver. If cow comes in, depressed yield, she tells you it. If cow comes in heat, she'll automatically shade her out. So she's standing there for a eye. Dairy master milk tank too, yeah.
The way that she cools, is there not something different about that?
It blows in at the bottom, so the milk's always going through the cold milk in the tank, so it takes less time to cool it.
With the amount that you're milking, like what's your average litres per cow, would say?
Per day, at the minute they're averaging 33 litres. Per year we're doing about 9,500 litres.
One of the main reasons to call out to you is because of the likes of Febu-DAIRY, and I suppose it is a great month for it too, because I mean, thankfully the milk price is doing pretty well at the moment.
Yeah, I will not complain. It could always be higher, everything else is going higher, so.
Exactly, like, you know, you still have to be able to pay for the likes of the feed and the fuel for cutting the silage to feed to the cows, like.
It's up serious here today, the brothers saying.
Aye.
And meals rising, fertilisers, ridiculous.
With all the brothers on the farm, quite a few of them are within the machinery side of things.
Yeah.
But how many of you are kind of involved in regards to milking?
Me and Jonathan, the brother, we sort of look after the cows. I do all the aim, but he's right behind. Me and him do, we all take our turns in the morning, but me and him's in there every evening. If he's not away at slurry, then I'll be there, or there and abouts. And Christopher, the brother, then does all the calves. Him and Robert, the brother, does the calves, rears them. The other brother, Philip, does the dye feeding. And then Adam in, he runs the digester and then follows out whatever somebody's away.
And how do you find, even time management wise, when you are flat out of silage, that you're able to kind of come in and do the likes of the milking?
Not too bad. We have the things all enough work, everything's out. It's just a matter of milking the cows. We get everything done in the morning before we go. Men don't really let you mow silage to 9, 10 o'clock, so we get all the Orbeez checked before we go. It's just a matter of workman. We have a man walks all year round, workman. And then it's only a matter of normally the other brewers or somebody's back, two of them wrapping through, or that's the brewer's wife.
Aye.
They're not too hard. No, we're happy enough.
I'm sure that's the main thing, and as long as the cow's happy and you're happy out with it.
Happy cows, happy farmers, is what they say.
That's it. And even touching back on the calving side of things, like, do you keep many of your heifers there as replacement?
Yeah, keep about 120.
Well, that is absolutely brilliant, Gordy. Thanks a million for having us out, and it's really nice to see the dairy side of things here.
No worries, thank you.
Without you, there is no tomorrow.